Hey, we're going to take a real quick overview of Teams. Teams is a cloud-based workspace that you can use to create essentially like a shared workspace that you can invite people to work together on projects, but not necessarily at the same time. So what we're going to do is go to Google, or in Chrome in the search bar, just search for Office 365. So Office 365 is going to house Teams. It has all our tools that we need. So we're going to sign in to Office 365. In this case, I'm just going to get redirected. You can do this from any computer in the entire world. Just look for Office 365, hit sign in, enter your district email, and then click work or school account, and then boom, you're in. So that's a way better way to get there than going through like the link on your desktop, because that doesn't really get you ready to access Office 365 from computers outside of school. So anyways, sidebar aside, now we're in Office 365. We're going to go into Teams. So Teams is one of the apps that's installed for Office 365. If you click it, it's going to take you into this website for Microsoft Teams. And the idea here is you can have more than one team. So right here, in my Teams, I have digital learning leaders, which is a thing I'm a part of. Building assessment coordinators is another thing. And then I actually made another one for digital productions for the different teachers in the district who teach digital productions. So I can make new teams by joining or creating a team. So if I click down here to join or create a team, I can create a team, or if someone already else has created a team and gave me a code for it, I can just join right there. Right here you can see that, like in our district, we have a secondary ELA team, there's a social studies team. But if I hit create team, I can then choose the team. So I could choose a team for different classes or PLCs. So if I hit maybe PLC, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to demo team. And then I'm going to maybe describe it if I want to. The privacy, I can choose if I want to be public or private. And then I'm going to hit next to create that team. And then I can start adding people. So for example, I'm going to add Ann McNeil. So Ann and I are going to work on digital citizenship stuff together. So I click Ann and then I add her. All right, so I added Ann to this. And now I'm going to close this. So now I can go into my demo team and I can see that I have some different options here. I can start a conversation, so we have kind of a chat window going here. I have files. I can upload and add files to this team space, so something we might be working on together. There's a notebook here that is actually run through OneNote, which is a separate app, but we have an embedded notebook in here. And so we can create kind of a shared notebook of ideas. And then I can also add different tabs for different apps that I want to incorporate into our team, and these would be different tools that our team might use to be productive. So the idea here with Teams is this is a workspace. It's not a place where you would store finalized documents. If you said something like, I don't know, we're going to add Word and we're going to work on Word documents in this together, when we're done with that document, we might house it somewhere else, like SharePoint. But Teams, the purpose is just to be a workspace. And if you kind of incorporate this into your daily workflow and you get the members of your team using it, it's a pretty effective way to have ongoing conversations and ongoing work where not everybody has to get in the same room at the same exact time and actually be present in the same space or be on the same schedule. It allows you to be collaborative outside of the boundaries of the box and outside of the boundaries of kind of normal time and things like that. If you have any questions or want any additional support with setting up a team, please don't hesitate to get a hold of me. All right, thanks.